So in this video, I'm going to show you how to push code to GitHub using a command line. So first thing you need to do is to create a new repository. You need to create a new repository and click on the plus sign, fill up all the required details and the support name, description, and also make the repository public this time as it is free. So as you can see here in the screenshot, we have here the plus button. Then we have our new repository. Then here are the details that you need to fill up. The owner, the repository name, then the description, it's optional. Then you have to make it public. Then open your Git Bash. Git Bash can be downloaded here. And it's a shell is the interface with the operating system which follows the Unix command. So get bash or open your Git Bash, you have to download it. So create your local project in your desktop directed towards the current working directory. So PWD stands for print working directory, which is used to print the current directory. So we'll just copy this thing. So copy this code right here on your command line or your Git Bash. It depends on what you want it to use. So initialize the Git repository. So to initialize, you need to go use git init to initialize the repository. Just copy this again, then it would soon detect the code. Then add the file to the new local repository. So use git add in your bash to add all the files to the given folder. So just go ahead and click git bash on your command line. Then commit the files to your local repository by writing a commit message. So you just go ahead and have a command of git commit m your message. So after that, copy your remote repository's URL from GitHub. So the HTTPS URL is copied from the given GitHub account. So the add the URL copy, which is your remote repository to where your local content for your repository is push. So just go ahead, click this and click get remote add origin your URL name. So push the code in your local repository into GitHub. So like this, then view your files in your repository hosted in GitHub. So you can finally see the file hosted on GitHub. So that's it. That's how you could be able to push code to GitHub using your command line or your Git Bash.